Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I hope you're having a great day. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below. Ring the bell, and so you can keep up with what I'm doing, know when my lives are going on, when we have premieres, when you can catch Beauty and Beats. You know, lots of great things happen on this channel, and I wouldn't want you to miss a thing. So I appreciate that. Today, let's just jump right into it. Let's get to it. Let's do it to it. Let's do it to it. It's the Melt Blueprint palette. I don't have a song for it. It's just a palette that when I saw it, I knew I had to have it. It is gorgeous. And the Blueprint palette is actually based on a stack. See, they used to have a stack of eyeshadows, and they still do, I think. But this was originally a stack, and then they turned it into a palette. And as you can see, I've had my little fingers testing the shades here. But let's do some swatches. This is Skylight, Deadbolt, Dim Out, and King Stud. Ooh, King Stud. And that is very nice swatches indeed. Now with melt palettes, they can be a little hit and miss, but so far as I've played with this palette, it seems to be much more of a hit than a miss. And then of course we've got some neutral colors. We've got Beaming, Hot Wire, Hammered, and Nailed. One of them is a very light shimmer. Let's see, there's a little shimmer, and there's a little shimmer. It is gorgeous. We are very excited about it, and that is the Royal We. I think I'm fancy sometimes. I hope you don't mind. I like to get a little glamorous, like to have a little fun. Let's start by putting something in the crease. I need a brush that I can control. And I think I'm going to start in the crease with Deadbolt. Oh, that's so pretty. Because I really want to make a beautiful blue look with this. And I'm going in kind of gingerly because it's so pigmented. I'm just blending everything out. That is super pretty. And there's no kick up, there's no fallout. It looks about even. It's so hard to get eyes to be the same, especially when they're different shapes and sizes. But I do what I can do, and I know you understand, because everybody's got something a little different and unsymmetrical about their face. But we still make do and soldier on. We totally do. I'm going to go under the brow bone with Beaming. It's got kind of a gold flex to it, and that makes for a nice start. Let's start at the very beginning. I do that all the time because I love the Do Re Mi song from Sound of Music. Next, in a little kick up in the Beaming, that color I just did. We're going to go into King Stud. Oh, that looks so pretty. I'm going to get another brush. I'm going to go into Skylight, which is the fairest. Ooh, it's a little chunky. Which is the fairest blue color. Oh yeah. And I think I'm going to go with the same brush and to dim out the deepest blue. Now I need to get a blending brush because we need to soften this deep old look up. You might hear a little bit of Wolfie out in the hall. He's sad because he's not inside. Oh, that looks much better softened up. And I think, I know I just used the blues in this palette, but I just am loving this so much. Let me get a little bit more. That looks great. Fantastico. So now we're going to do eyeliner and mascara. I've got a new eyeliner that I got from Lurella. I want to give this a shot because I swatched it the other day and it stayed on. It was really hard to get off in the best possible way. This eyeliner is fantastic and it is Lurella's. It's called Lurella Linisha something. It's almost impossible to read, but it's a Lurella eyeliner and it came in like a set with a red eyeliner as well. But that looks great. I wish I could put on fake lashes, but instead I will use my Marc Jacobs mascara. Oh, I feel glamorous. I feel so glamorous. Now, what kind of lip? I could go blue. I could go neutral. I think I'm going to go neutral. Family Jewels. Yes. I think it looks fantastic. So today I want to thank you so much for watching this video about the new Blueprint palette from Matte. I mean, it's Matte and Shimmer, but the new Blueprint palette from Melt Cosmetics. It did start with an M. At least I got that part right. Have a great day or the day of your choice. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you real soon.